Hello! I wanted to share my latest discovery about AI ads. Nextify is an amazing AI video ad platform. It creates high-quality, realistic UGC and video ads that look incredibly natural. Let's see what styles it provides. Go to the Sign Up button and get started. You can create video ads, image listings, viral cloning, and avatar UGC videos. Let's create a UGC. I've picked my avatar. I will upload my product and let the AI prompt generator create the script.
If your skin is craving a fresh, cooling feel, this is AquaBloom Hydrocool Face Gel. The jar says it instantly hydrates and refreshes with a sea mineral complex and 50 ml of product. It looks light, clean, and easy to use. A simple step for a refreshed feeling routine.
The result is incredible, quite realistic. Let's create a video ad. I will upload many different images and the script.
Feel the cool. AquaBloom Hydrocool Face Gel instantly hydrates and refreshes with sea minerals. Cool, fresh, radiant. Try it now.
The result is amazing. I am impressed. Let's try the listing images. I am going to choose a random product from Amazon, copy and paste the title and description. The images are really good. So in conclusion, this AI video ad generator is the best I have tried recently. It gives 20 credits when you sign up and 20 more after the first generation. The price is pretty good for this kind of quality. So if you're low on budget and want to create your own product ads and listings, try this one and let me know what you think.